It's a bake sale also. It's kind of early, but yep, we're lined up. There's some people here. Look at this. We're here. Oh, what do we got here? Oh. Oh. What? Look at. Oh. Look at. Oh, look at. Here he comes. Dun, dun, dun. Yes. Oh, choo, choo. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, should I go get a speed run? Should I go measure the speed with my radar? Yeah.
Everybody's making speed run.
Now save your batteries for the dirt because there's a lot of fun in the dirt still left. What's up, dude? What's going on, man? Look at this lineup. Look at. All right, let me go get my radar gun and do a little speed pass here.
Moving for a little time.
Well, if I put another spur in it, they said it will go 70.
I know, but you know, so my little prototype.
We got everybody. Oh, oh, there's the ramp. What? All right, setting it up. All right, let me go get my radar.
Where should I set it?
Right in front of Phil's truck.
Yeah, and then we'll jump over the. Yeah.
No, jump.
Woo!
And over.